and welcome to the vlog. So I just finished shows tonight, and so that's why my hair is wet. It was hair washing night as well, which is few and far between in my world, but I legitimately got about a gajillion face masks for Christmas. Basically in between Christmas and then what you would have seen when I was in Melbourne that day I bought all the face masks at the Asian market. I have about 9 quadrillion zillion to go through, so I figured tonight I would treat myself. This is the one I'm using. This is one of the ones I bought at the Asian market. It's Wrinkle Tox Skin Clinic Mask. Everything's in Korean, but it's supposed to be for skin dryness, elasticity, and wrinkles. And like everything on the back is in Korean with the exception of how long to keep it on, which is 10 to 20 minutes. Let me look. Okay, sorry, I didn't even realize what time it was. I needed to know so I knew how long to keep it on. But yeah, so I am just face masking it up, and I actually got myself a new computer for Christmas / because I needed it. So I've been editing all of my vlogs on my friend Emily's MacBook. She taught me how to use it, but I decided it was time. Oh my gosh, there's the Christmas card picture. He freaking sent this to me from Oklahoma and uploaded that as the wallpaper first. But so this is a new HP. It's like a big, it's touch screen, which is really nice. But it has this video editor called Movavi, and it's supposed to basically be iMovie for PCs. So I'm about to stick some video footage in and try to do my first edit on that. But that's pretty much all I'm doing tonight. It's just a pretty chill night, and we had early shows, so you can see right now it is 11:08 p.m. Early shows means we performed at 7 and 8:45. So by the time I get home, shower, and everything, it's already, you know, almost 11. Because 8:45 shows, that means we get done about 10-ish by the time we get out of costume, eat some after show food, and get back to the room. And then I, of course, have to shower and get ready. So I'm going to work on editing my Christmas vlog, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Cookies. Okay, so we're trying out fruit mince pies, which is apparently an English thing that they do for Christmas. And it's, what, 2 or 3 days after Christmas? We forgot. So, we're gonna have these. Smells a bit like, kind of smells like a Fig Newton / Play-Doh / I don't know what. Do we take them out, or like, do I eat it?
Don't eat the cellophane.
Well, obviously it's foil. I can't eat that, but like, how do you get it out? Oh, this is about to make a huge mess on my bed. I can tell you that right now. Oh God, it's crumbling.
No, you squeeze it from the bottom.
Squeeze it?
I got it.
Oh, like that. No. See, it's coming on. Ah! I'm ruining it. The crust kind of tastes like a Fig Newton, not gonna lie to you.
Okay, take a bite.
Okay, here we go. Do I have to take like a big bite to eat?
Yeah, take a big bite. Yeah, that's right.
Well, it looks like that on the inside.
I don't hate it.
Yeah,
Tastes like Christmas to me.
What do you think?
Hold on, there's a lot of crust.
Yeah, I'm still getting to the juicy part.
Yeah.
It does kind of taste like a Fig Newton, which I like Fig Newtons.
What do you think, Em? Oh.
Danielle, have a sip of British cheese.
I just got a weird spice of some sort. I don't
finish
know.
it off.
I'm fine with the crust, but
This will just...
Ah, it's hot on my hand, hot on my hand, hot on my hand. I don't really like tea, but I'm gonna try it.
What do you think, Rochelle?
It just washes it down
It's a
after.
Big Newton in a pot.
Is it a good Fig Newton, though?
Come on. It's fine.
Maybe I don't hate tea anymore. Maybe my taste buds are progressing.
So it's kind of like the
What do you think, Mel? Is it just as good as back home?
Tastes like Christmas.
Oh, fantastic.
Hey, I'm having a second bite, so pretty
It's
good.
like raisins. Yeah.
I mean, you have a second bite of everything.
Tonight is the night before New Year's, and we are currently
Blowing up balloons!
I'd say we're Santa's helpers, but that holiday's over, so we are blowing up balloons. It's kind of hard to see, but there's this mesh fish, I don't know, what do you call it? Fish netting?
Fishing line.
Fishing line netting that is going to be along the promenade, which is like this big corridor that goes from one end of the ship to the next.
We'll show you
Yeah, you'll see tomorrow, but the balloon drops, so we are currently blowing up 3,000 plus balloons to drop tomorrow night at midnight. We just finished shows, and on to the next job, making the guests feel so special on New Year's. We got quite a system going. You can see Laura posing for the camera, and then we've got these like airs, and then it blows it down. There it goes.
There's our balloon girls. Just being all balloony. Yeah! Hey, Dana! How are you feeling in this moment?
I'm really happy. It's about
Yeah?
to be, new year, new me. I mean, I don't really need to be a new person because I'm pretty fab as it is. But
Okay.
there's always room for improvement.
Sure. Em, how you feeling?
What she said. She's trying to steal my lines.
What a thief. And we'll go down here. Oh, look at the little balloonies. Melissa?
Party, party, party.
Party, party, party. What's your New Year's resolution?
I don't know. I haven't got one yet. I'm working on it.
Okay, cool. Have a think about it. We'll check in with you later. Ours is too full. We're just overachievers.
She said we won't explode when we pull it.
Oh no!
I know.
Mel, your hair's still staticky. I can't really see it. No, you can't really tell.
Make it stop. Are you not filming her chasing this balloon?
I'm helping.
She caught it!
I saved it.